Ready to expand your aesthetic practice with regenerative aesthetics, with the first and most trusted source for ethical, comprehensive training, with no memberships or extra fees. Earning a top pick award from aesthetictraining.com, Practical CME has the premium, small group MD taught training that blends PRP, microneedling, and exosomes into one certification class focusing on healing without injury. First, start learning online with our CME accredited streaming course before your live training date and earn your first 7-hour certificate. Then join our small group, MD taught hands-on training for skin rejuvenation, PRP facelift, hair restoration, scar treatment, and more for an additional 5 hours of credit. Join hundreds of providers who've trained with Practical CME since we launched the first accredited cosmetic PRP and microneedling training in 2014. Earn your 12-credit CME accredited certification in regenerative aesthetics for physicians, nurses, and PAs, and grow your practice today. Register now at practicalcme.com. Our faculty hires and supervises nurses and PAs and knows what you need to be successful. We hope to see you in person soon so you can take your practice to the next level. Open a live chat with us now at practicalcme.com if you have any questions.